Alticontrol, c'est une société de contrôle en remontée mécanique exclusivement.
Alticontrol is a special group that regulates cable lift systems in accordance with the Ministry of Transport in France. We annually test and verify the cable controls of transport systems such as ski lifts, gondola lifts, cable cars, and so on. We are currently on an annual visit. Well, I use it for two essential activities. I validate the motor by measuring the speed, current, and the brake's location or pressure. The other is for the control of the cable, where I record the induced EMF according to Lenz's law. This is a low voltage measurement that I sample at frequencies around 1 or 2 or 3 kHz. This test can last half an hour or even 1 hour, depending on the length of the control cable. There are no buttons other than the on-off button, which is great. This way, there is no switch that will wear because everything works with a touchscreen. Also, it has a long battery life, so when I have to test for 9 hours, it does not fail. These are the two main advantages. However, there are a few more advantages to using the DAS50. Recording at maximum sample rate of 1 MHz, and also the 28 GB SSD storage space. That's great for me. I have tested in all conditions, and it has not failed me. I have worked on a pylon in negative 19-degree weather, and it still records. It is truly reliable. As I've mentioned, it's really about the simplicity and implementation and autonomy. For cable control, I can't be on a 50 Hz system, so I have to rely on the battery, and the battery capacity is absolutely perfect. For annual visits, there are always remote cabins without a great 50 Hz system, so we don't have a dedicated power socket. But with that battery, I am self-sufficient in every case. This is a crucial point. There is also the storage and a way to back up the data on a USB drive. We can save the recordings on a USB drive and view the recordings on the DAS50 that I've had for years. So I can see the recording of the year 2020 or 2019 that I saved. It is the Snapshot feature, without a doubt. When I confirm a test, we check with the operators. Is this all right? Is it valid? Then I can take the snapshot, and this means that the test is confirmed. It is engraved in stone. No more modifications. For me, this picture will be in the report. The date, the time, and the type of test is on it. That's perfect. Sometimes the Cephram viewer, maybe, a few times. But for cable control, I always work with FlexPro, on which I have developed an application for fault detection.